Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. Here is about the formula we can apply this one cone here. So that should be like this. So 8, that is about this one. B, that is about this one. And the next one, 8, that is about this one. Minus B, that is about this one. And now we need to simplify 2x with 3x, we have 5x. B over 4 minus B over 6, we have B over 12. So 2x minus 3x, that is about negative x. Negative B over 6 minus B over 4, that is about negative number 5 over 12. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 5 cosine of 5x plus B over 12. The integration of this one, that is about positive cosine of negative x negative 5b over 12. And I will put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.